gonna show some love to Reverend Terminator now. He's over there today, oh yes, he gonna hold it down. He with the AI dropping songs up for the people now. He's showing love for Scandinavia as he hold it down. He's over in the church and preaching with a good word. He's in that house and working out, and when you hear his word, he's dropping shorts and videos, and now he getting up. I see you over there, the Reverend Terminator saying, hey. So now I'm talking about the Reverend Terminator. He's over there to talking about the maybe see you later. He should support the people when they should support that grind. Oh yes, I'm over here, I'm seeing it with my eye. He's on that black and water drawing all the people too. Oh yes, he's over there, oh yes, he wants to keep it true. Because he is the Terminator when he spits a word. You put the Reverend in the front and now you have your heard say, hey. So when I said he really don't have a perm, I'm over here to talk about the Reverend Terminator. I'm over here the other people saying he's a savior. I'm over here the other people saying I see you later. I'm over here talking about my man the Reverend Doe. The Terminator's over here to with that word for show. He put the pictures up and put the picture up for me. I see him over there with the Bible next to decent A. Talking about that Reverend Terminator. Some people talking about that, do you know he not no hater? He's over here to showing love to everyone. So now I'm over here, I'm shouting you to Alpha Son, Reverend what? So now I'm over here, I'm showing love. So now the people talking about the when we showing love. You over there, you working, now you get that body right. You also doing some burping and you did that thing so right. You giving people clips and when you get your business on. You showing love to the people when you in that zone. You up and in your bed and you cooking up that heat. Some people talking about we seeing you the from the street, the Reverend Terminator. Oh yes, I wanna shout you out. Some people let me tell you when I'm here to run my mouth. I'm running my mouth and when I give and shout out. Some people telling me that what you know about it now, Reverend Terminator. So when we talking about you now, I see you over there and you still getting down. You going around the world and you hang out with your wife. Your wife is working out and y'all feel so nice. But now I see y'all grinding and you grinding every day. I know you over there and I know that you pray. You praying over there and when you spitting with that word, Reverend Terminators over there, or when we spread that word.